Hey, 10th grade. So far, we've made our titles. We've chosen our animal disease, our human disease, and our plant disease. And we've talked about the effects of each one of those diseases. We've also used quotation marks or continuation dots to make sure that we're telling people who are watching our slide the accurate information of where we got this from and that it's not our words. We've cited our evidence with numbers, and these numbers match the websites that we have in our works cited section. Now today what we're going to be talking about is what we're doing on this other side. Now, some people have already added words there, you've tried to get ahead, and that's fine. You can definitely do that, but you need to make sure that what I'm telling you today in the video is somewhere on your slide because that's the actual assignment. So today what we're going to do is we're going to add pictures, and I'm going to show you how to cite pictures today for a website. So we're looking for body systems and organs affected for whatever animal disease you chose. And I chose rabies. When I was looking this up, there was a lot of pictures on how the human body was affected. But what I'm looking for is how the animal is affected. And so I had to look for a while, and you may have to look for a while too, because there's a lot of stuff on how people are affected, not as much. You have to really look carefully. So I found this really great picture. Let me go up a little bit. Of this animal, and it starts with the bite. It shows the process of how the disease travels to the brain, and then it enters the salivary gland where you make your spit. And so when you bite, it's carried through the spit. So this is perfect. I want to go ahead and right click on this. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to add it by Control V. And then I'm going to move it through the corners. If I move it on the side, I'm going to distort my image. So always move from the corner here. You'll see an arrow that looks diagonal. And then I can use the arrows on my keyboard to put this into place. And I want to make this a little bit smaller because I need room for my two other pictures. Okay, so I have this process. Another thing I wanted to add was what type of animals are infected. And there's a lot of pictures of that. Before I do, let me quickly cite my evidence. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to come to my body system slideshow, and I'm going to add a text box. So this time for pictures, you're going to cite it right on the slide. And I'm going to go retrieved from, and then just paste my website. That's it. Okay, so I have that one. Then I'm going to come and find another picture. I need 3 pictures that show the animals. So I liked this one. It shows all the animals that can pass on rabies. So I'm going to right click, copy the image, add it to my slideshow by Control V. I'm going to make it smaller by clicking on a corner and moving in. And I can move this with my arrows. And I want to make sure that I have it in a place where it's not blocking my other picture. And then when I click on this text box, I can type retrieved from, and then I'm citing my website where I got it from, which is from this site. So Control C, go back to my body systems, Control V. And then I'll add one more picture later. I'll send the picture of this for you guys with the assignment so you can see my finished slide. But that's what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for what body systems are affected. So I kind of show that with my last picture. My very last picture will probably show a body system because it says body systems on there. Hope this helps. Bye, guys.